Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy ice creams, perfect for kids and for family, made with Thermomix. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So first I'm starting with making the icing sugar. So I'm adding 40 grams of granulated sugar. I don't like it too sweet, so I'm adding a little bit less than in original recipe, and I'm blending everything out in 15 seconds. And now it's time to add your favorite fruits, and I'm adding frozen strawberries. It's 500 grams, and I'm mixing everything together on the highest speed for 15 seconds. At this stage, frozen strawberries looks like a sorbet, so it's actually ready to eat. You can see how amazing it looks like, but I'm gonna add, for extra creaminess, sweet cream, whipping cream, and it's gonna be 120 grams, and mix everything together once again to combine. And you can mix everything until you're gonna get your perfect consistency. Well, and I think all the magic is done. Our homemade ice creams are ready to serve. You can have a look how amazing they look like once again. So I'm putting them to the special containers for ice creams for the kids, and for myself I'm freezing up the portion in the box and leave it in the freezer. So that was the recipe for homemade ice creams. Hope you like my recipe, my movie. Don't forget to subscribe. And now it's the best taste ever. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
My mom's ice cream are yummy.
The best.
The best.
Yes? You have the best mommy ever, yes?
Yes.
In the whole entire world.
Yes.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
100 thumbs up.
And don't forget to
Subscribe.
the channel. Yes?
Yes.
And see you in my
Next channel.
bye.